boarding for flight 456E2, passengers traveling to Mumbai. You are requested to head to gate number 3.
It's your 10th wedding anniversary, no? That's kind of special, man. I think you're supposed to gift each other some kind of metal or something, some tin or copper.
Yeah, but it's not like that with us.
Hey, you're spending your wedding anniversary with me. Upar se you're not giving her a gift.
But Ali, unlike you, we are not the couple that are into this symbolic anniversary shit.
Why? I know that. But you know that 10 is a pretty big symbol, no?
Yes, I do. Unlike you, Maya gets it. She always gets it. Plus, I'm not out there partying or having fun with people. I'm working here. It's a high-stress job and I'm doing it for us. And she knows that. She gets it. Ali, I'm missing my anniversary too, you know.
I understand that, and Maya might be the most reasonable person in the world. All I'm saying is a gift won't hurt, yeah.
I know. I get it. Yeah. I'm not sure about tin and aluminium, but a diamond always works. Which is why, brother, I have planned something. A diamond heart. It's tacky.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. No, you're right. She'll also say the same.
Hey, what is that, yeah? Hey, that's nice. Balls. I like it. Diamond ball. No. It's sugar cubes.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Brilliant.
Whatever it is, I'm getting it for her. But then if she doesn't like it, it'll become worse.
You have to... अरे यार, just चाय में डाल के surprise कर दियो यार.
यार तेरी बातें सुनते गया ना, मेरी तो anniversary पे divorce हो जाएगा. No, Ali, that's it. I don't want to hear anymore.
Oh, look. I love these public dramas, man. Just wait for the screaming match to unfold now.
You're a weird guy, yeah. Somebody's misery like amuses you.
Yeah. Once I got so lucky, I was sitting next to this, couple in a plane. They had this one iPad. One headphone in one ear, the other in one ear. Like a very cute type of couple. Now the guy wanted to watch Game of Thrones and the girl wanted to watch Dear Zindagi. भाई इतना सुनाया, इतना एक तरफ मौत, दूसरी तरफ जिंदगी. It was mad. It was so entertaining. बात mother-in-law तक पहुंच गई थी. It was so crazy, यार.
कैसे तुझे मजा आता है इन चीजों में यार? Listen, what do you think is happening here?
See, that guy has...
Don't point.
The guy has just shown the eye to somebody else. And because he's looking sheepish right now, and she is super violent. She's gonna hit him right now. Just don't look.
Wow, and she's rewarding him with a hug. Great job, huh, Sherlock?
Arey, then there's only one explanation, yeah. He's married to someone else. And I'm telling you, he's married to someone else. They're off on their naughty weekend together. 100%.
Terrible person, man.
I can put my life on it. Just bet.
Whatever it is, how are we ever gonna know?
You don't think I can ask him?
Don't ask him.
I can very easily go
What are you
up to
gonna ask him? Are you on a dirty weekend?
You don't know. I was the one who found Ankita and Ankita together in that water fountain.
Yeah.
You know that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I can ask him.
Or easy.
Excuse me, sir. No, not credit card.
No, home loan either.
I'm not a... Do I look like a
No
loan?
timeshare, please.
No, sir.
I'm really sorry about my friend, sir. Come.
What happened?
Please.
No, it's just that we were just wondering about your little celebration, that's all.
I'm really sorry. I thought that you were trying to push a sale or something. Listen, I misbehaved. The coffee is on me. Do coffee or please.
Wow, thank
we
you.
were actually wondering what the celebration might be because you guys look so happy.
It's our anniversary.
Oh.
India's lost another wicket.
Yeah, it's make or break at Kotla tomorrow.
And the problem is our middle order is not holding up.
Correct.
No, but Tony is going to fire.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah,
You think so?
100%.
Because I think that if they don't do it, then it's just going to be going down. Keep the change and you make the bill also. All right, guys. Some coffee for you there.
Thank you.
And
Sir, I'm
you are-
Dhruv. Thanks for the
Dhruv.
coffee.
Hi.
I'm Ali.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Come, I'll introduce you to my wife.
Oh, lovely.
Anniversary wife. Yeah? Come.
Free coffee.
Come on. Come on, guys!
Hello.
Hi.
And this is...
Dhruv.
Ali.
Tell me.
Hi. Happy anniversary, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
We were just talking to your husband about the cricket scores.
Oh, is that right?
This is the boarding
I see your vacation's already begun with cricket.
No. They were talking.
I'm just kidding.
requested to proceed
Where are you guys off to?
Delhi, I suppose we're all on the same flight.
Yeah, the same flight that takes 20 to 40 minutes before it can land.
You sound like a frequent traveler.
Yeah, far too frequent for my liking.
She flies Bel Air, cabin crew.
Oh, wow.
Which is why I wasn't very happy about more planes and, airports. And I'm kidding. I'm so excited about the surprise.
Hey, someone you know?
Oh, Reena, hold. Hey, Reena. Ah! How are you doing? I'm good. How are you?
Tell you something interesting. This entire trip is like a treasure hunt for her. And listen, please don't mention cricket in front of her.
Sorry, I didn't know.
That's a complete no-no. In fact, on this trip, I booked some train rides, boat rides, and a few treks too. Kept the flights to an absolute minimum. She hates flights. In fact, the first clue is going to come on this flight. It'll come with a pre-booked meal. The colleagues are in on it.
Man, that's like the first time ever someone's going to enjoy an airline meal.
My God, that sounds like a lot of planning went into it.
Yeah, a few months easily. Hey, thanks. And the biggest trouble was to get her to fly. She just hates flying, especially when she's not working. Takes a lot of cajoling just to get her to the airport.
So all this planning must have required a travel agent.
No, I did it myself with this online stuff. Of course, friends and family helped, and a lot of secrecy. In fact, at one point, I was so secretive, she was sure I was having an affair. Just look at that smile on her face. Doesn't it make it worth it all?
Man, the most meaningful gift I've ever given my girlfriend is an air fryer. Yeah, I don't know why she dumped me.
This is the final boarding for flight 56E2.
Those things
Passengers traveling to
usually
Mumbai.
don't work.
You're requested
You could try a spa voucher the next time.
This is the final
Genius. Dhruv, man, take some notes, yeah.
I know, I'm taking notes. No, but really, I'm supremely impressed. I mean, how do you even come up with a plan like this?
You just have to learn to notice what they want. Mr. Sinha.
You have my. Tell me that you have my boarding card.
Mrs. Sinha, I just want to check with you. How do you manage to be a hotshot flyer day in and day out, but when you're with me, something happens?
I know, right? It's like I have a brain freeze when I'm not operating a flight. So, guys, what else is up other than cricket?
Well, what's up is that he's spending his 10th wedding anniversary with me.
Uh-oh.
It's no big deal.
It is a big deal. Tell him.
Yeah, it is a big deal. 10 is a big number.
Hey, that's what I said.
I know, guys, I understand. Lately, I've been really busy and almost missing from my own life.
That sounds just like Rahul, doesn't it?
Rahul?
My ex-husband? That line just about sums him up. He was always absent from his own life.
Give him a break, please.
You give me a break, please, and play the jealous husband card and stop defending my ex-husband.
All right, I'll try. And listen, Mr. 10th anniversary, abhi der nahi hui hai. 10 is for tin, they say, right?
Aluminium?
Aluminium. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but can I ask you one more question?
Yeah.
I promise I'll leave you in peace after
Okay.
that. You know, I was just wondering, how did the two of you meet? You know, because I'm always thinking about how, the one, so...
The one. Well, Rahul, she and I, we knew each other in college. Then life took over. After my father passed away, I moved cities, took charge of my house. Had to take care of my two younger brothers.
And, well, Rahul and I were just a matter of time. After some time, his absence became so normal that his presence didn't matter at all. You know what I mean? So something snapped, and fortunately for me, I was busy. My work was just taking off, a pun that Manoj hates, but I love using it, so...
And then obviously the two of you met later after all those years.
That is a very interesting story.
Which she loves to narrate.
Yes. So I was operating a flight. It was a horror of a flight. There were passengers everywhere just freaking out.
Sir, please, नहीं आप अभी टॉयलेट नहीं जा सकते. देखिए सीट बेल्ट साइन ऑन है. Please, प्लीज अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए और बैठ जाइए सर. मैम मैं आपको पानी दे रही हूँ. प्लीज आप अपने बच्चे को अपने गोदी पे रखिए. प्लीज सीट बेल्ट साइन ऑन है. मैम प्लीज रिलैक्स. And then I saw him, Manoj, Manu from college. I used to really like him. So I said, why not go and say hello to him? Excuse me, sir.
Please don't disturb.
No, sir.
Don't you see the TNT?
I can't believe this. He doesn't recognize me. I have the same hairstyle, for God's sake. This is ridiculous. Sir, St. Xavier's Hostel, room 314. I'll ask someone else to take your order, Mr. Manu. Thank you. He deserved it.
Shalu, Shanu Malhotra? I did behave like a moron.
Yes, you did.
Man, that's an amazing story.
It
yeah?
is.
And clearly it ended happily, so congratulations.
Well, after the flight in which I behaved like a moron, we got back in touch, picked up our friendship, and I actually surprised myself by asking her to marry me.
No, you surprised me. For 1 month, every day, he sent me flowers, he wrote me poems, he invited me home for dinner, he even cooked dinner for me, something I know that he hates doing now.
She actually is telling you that I exhausted her into saying yes.
Yeah, you did actually.
That's
It was-
good.
No, it was just so wonderful. And you know, I'm a sort of no frills person, right? But this man managed to break through that defense, and I have to admit, now I enjoy that indulgence. I really do.
This is the final boarding announcement for flight 621. Passengers
And
are
that's
requested to
our
board
boarding call.
immediately.
Of course.
Could you just check the boarding card?
It's all
please?
here.
No, 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 just do it once more.
Checked it, Shalu.
Do it for me, I'm neurotic, I'm sorry. Please.
This is your boarding card, and this is. What's this? And this is. Shalu, these look like cricket match tickets for Kotla.
Happy anniversary, Mr. Sinha.
How did you manage this?
क्यों भाई? क्यों? सरप्राइज करने का ठेका सिर्फ आपने ले रखा है?
Shalu, and these are 2 tickets. You go to watch cricket match with me.
Of course, it's a good day to start. And like they say, if you can't beat them, join them.
I want to shout.
Oh, please go ahead.
I need to shout. I'm going to the Kotla to watch cricket. This is unbelievable. This is
And it's a VIP box too,
This
yes.
is amazing. It's
Yes.
maybe 10 years. Maybe 10 years, people.
Okay, let's go. Don't forget to surprise your wife.
Yeah, it's just that Maya's not very big on surprises.
Oh, everybody's big on surprises. Look at him. He's screaming like a kid in a candy store.
I really want to know how did you manage
I'll tell you. Yeah, bye.
Yeah, bye, bye.
So I called Atul, huh?
Yeah.
And he was like, okay, I can help you with this. And I'm like, you know, great.
Hey man, they're really cute, yeah.
They are.
Chale?
Ali, what am I doing with my life? I don't have time. Maya doesn't like surprises. The truth is, you spend long enough with a person and little by little you slowly just stop paying attention. Why can't I surprise my wife? She's my wife.
Yeah. That's what I've been saying to you, man. Give her those sugar cubes.
Brother, right now, the best present I can give Maya is to start with at least being present in my own life.
Chale? We'll miss our flight.
No, Ali, you'll miss your flight. I'm going home. You'll handle it, right? Handle it.
Okay.
I'm catching a cab.
Maya, it totally worked. The plan worked, man. Dhruv realizes. And those actors that you hired were amazing, Maya. They were fabulous. What? What do you mean you changed the plan? So you didn't hire any actors? But then who are those guys? Oh, Maya, you don't understand what has just happened. This should be in the movies, man, and we should get...